In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between content marketing and inbound marketing, and I'm going to show you exactly which one you should be using for your business today. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative back with another episode of What Is? Like what you see? Want to keep learning more? Then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. Make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to share 3 ways that you can leverage content marketing or inbound marketing at your company today. So today's topic is inbound marketing versus content marketing. Which one should be the winner? Let's start with a quick definition of each. Content marketing involves the creation and sharing of online content like videos, blogs, and social media posts. It doesn't explicitly promote a brand, but aims to generate interest in its products or services. Meanwhile, inbound marketing is the technique for drawing customers to products and services via content creation, social media engagement, search engine optimization, and branding. Think of it like a magnet for your customers. Why are these important for your company? The fact is, the world has changed. The consumer has the power because they have, well, this thing we call the internet. Stats show that buyers are much further down their decision path or buyer's journey now than ever before in history. They're going to the web for answers, Google, Bing, and other search engines. We've also all become very good at tuning out advertising. We stream TV and skip commercials, we have ad blockers on our browsers, and we change the channel on the radio or go to streaming music services like Spotify or Apple Music. So ads aren't effective as they used to be, which means if you aren't using content marketing or inbound marketing to reach them, you're probably missing out. So the question now becomes, which is better, inbound marketing or content marketing? And how can you use the winner for your marketing at your company? Drum roll, please. Here's the answer. It's actually not an either or situation. Basically, you can't do inbound without content, and content without inbound is, well, just traditional advertising on the interwebs, which is weird. Think of it like this. Inbound marketing is the vehicle that gets you to your customer. And content marketing, well, it's the fuel. Now that we have that down, here are 3 inbound marketing examples using content marketing to help you grow your business. Number 1, maybe you have some deep insight into your industry, data points, or example that tell a story. Well, then create an infographic. Then you can take that content marketing and then put inbound marketing to work in the form of a guest blog post, snippets of the infographic for social media posts like Instagram, and include an announcement in your company's email signatures. Number 2, got something to say? Create a video, then you can optimize it for search, share it on social media, and email your supporters, fans, and customers. You could even ask people to share it if they find value in it. Having others share your content is a great measurement of quality content. And last but not least, 3, or finally, since you're an expert in your niche, create an industry report. Then you can break up the content in smaller pieces and, well, blog about it. You can also take the information to other sites and guest blogs. Also, you can take the information on the digital road and go on podcasts as a subject matter expert. Of course, make sure the report is available as a download on your site too. Heck, this could even help in the PR world and bring the media to you. Now that you know what content marketing and inbound marketing each is and why inbound marketing and content marketing are important, make sure you're implementing them for your company's success. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell as well before you go, and make sure you're being a happy, helpful human along the way.